Hey there, everybody. Hope you're doing good on this Wednesday, November 20th. I've just completed 2 celestial, planetary, starry, sun, moon journals. I've already got these in the Etsy store. These are basically a blank book that has frills in it, okay? So we'll go through each of them. This one is... I couldn't remember which this one. This one is I Love You Most in All the Galaxy. I think that I just titled it I Love You. So we'll go through this really, so I was really inspired by this fabric. I was also really anxious to use some of these really glittery metallic-ish kind of shiny beads, so I thought that they just matched really sweet. I was also wanting to use these beautiful star brads that Judy gave me. You can see that the journal is just stellar, haha, pun intended. In itself, it's really fun. This is kind of one of those fussy closures, so you just have to kind of lift up on the star and kind of just wiggle the closure around. You guys have been here and you know the drill, thank goodness. So we've got 2 signatures. We've got 96 pages in the book for you to write, draw, journal. You could use this as a diary. You could use it as a planner for next year. You could use it as I love to think about this as a lover's journal, because if you're in a special relationship with someone, then it's all about the beauty of the evening and the sweetness of life together. And I thought that this would make a really great journal to give to a loved one. So I just kind of had that on my mind as I was making it. But you can see that the pages are blank. You can do anything you want to with them. It would be a great grimoire, if you're into some witchy vibes. This says Starstruck. It is a cluster. You do have a few creative clusters just to give you... when we open a new book and it's all blank, we kind of really need those jumping off spaces. I love this washi tape that I've used on the pockets. This is classic Leanne, y'all. She is my celestial pal. So we've got pockets full of cardstock for you guys. This is a cardstock journal, so it is it's chunky when you pick it up. So you've got some art trading cards to play with, and then there's a beautiful little spread here that says not a care in the universe. I think that would be awesome to not have a care in the universe. I used some of this parchment paper that I bought from Amazon. I am crazy about that. I got to figure out how to get more Amazon points so I can get more of the parchment paper. I think it's really pretty. If you are into the universe and stars and suns and moons and horoscopes and tarot spreads and that kind of thing, this would be just a wonderful addition to your bookshelf. And you gotta think that these kind of books, it's not just a functional type of volume, but it's beautiful as a decor piece. If you just lay it on a table or sit it on a bookshelf, it's just really pretty. This one, I'll show you the spine. I think it's so pretty with the sparkly beads right there. I've got to source some more of these. I think they're so absolutely gorgeous. And we can see the constellations here. When I was little, we used to, my school would go to the planetarium. And I always thought it was just the most enchanting thing in the world on Planetarium Day. I absolutely loved it. This one is called Shine On. And you can see the selection of papers here. So you've got kind of the dark night sky, constellations here. I love this. The wide open sky is where I want to be. Yes, yes, yes. Shine on. And you've got a cluster here to put together. The clusters are like a 4x6 cardstock. Remember that everything in the book, y'all, is you're able to take this out. Let's just suppose, you know, you want to write a sweet note to someone, and you can always take your pages out and you can put them back into your journal. It's really simple. I like the flexibility of a wrapped spine. I think that it is it's wonderful because you can truly create a book. You can take it with you. You can take parts of it with you. You could take out a whole signature, and like maybe you're looking for something for a seasonal trip or a holiday trip that you could take with you and work on while you're gone. So lots of fun. Don't you love that? I even remember the moon landing. I watched the moon landing with my dad. I just thought that was super spectacular. I was really interested to see the new SpaceX launch. I think the craziest thing about that is that I'm really intrigued by that whole capture thing at the end of those launches. I think it's really very, very interesting to watch things like that. I've always been interested in the sky and the moon. My first business was called Laughing Moon Productions. I was a booking agent. And then I had Moonstruck Promotions. One, because I love the movie Moonstruck with Cher and Nicolas Cage. But it also really did, just the moon has always kind of called in a very deep way to me. I guess probably for all girls it does, right? Because the moon is kind of dictates our functions, our functions, if you will. So these are already in the Etsy store. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I will be, I have a good bit of this beautiful paper pad called Silver Starlight left over, and I might make some paper packs for us. Chime in, let me know. Let me know what you would like to see. Also, you know, don't forget, we also have Christmas journals in the shop as well. Our 25% off anything in the shop does end tomorrow, November 21st at midnight. So get y'all's orders in, and I can get them mailed off to you. Thanks a lot, y'all. See you later. Bye.